Looking for a beginner-friendly NordPass tutorial without confusing tech terms and fast-paced videos? I've got you covered. Today we'll walk through the entire NordPass app together, from setup and installation to using all the features. In this video, I'll mainly show you how to use NordPass on a Windows device. However, towards the end of the video, I'll also briefly show you how it works on other devices as well. The first step in this NordPass tutorial for beginners is getting yourself a subscription. There are a couple different plans to choose from, and to make sure that you're getting them at the lowest price possible, I've left a QR code on screen that you can scan now or just click the link in the description. Once you've purchased a plan, the second step in our NordPass guide is installation. After purchasing the plan, you'll get redirected to a page to download the app. Just a heads up, separately, I'll also show you how to download the NordPass browser extension in a moment. This feature lets you reap the benefits of autofill, so sit tight and that installation tutorial is coming too. After installing, the next step in this beginner's guide NordPass edition is to open the app and wait for the login screen to appear. Enter your email address and create a password to log in with. Since this controls access to your entire account and everything is stored in it, this is referred to as your master password, so it's very important to make it as strong as possible. Now it's time to move on to our NordPass setup. The first thing you'll want to do is set up multi-factor authentication, as it adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring you to verify each login via an email or SMS code. To do this, go to the settings icon, navigate down to the multi-factor authentication tab, and enable the toggle. Setting up MFA is a super useful way to prevent anyone unauthorized from entering your account. Speaking of which, you'll definitely want to generate a recovery code now too. This works as a safety precaution in case you ever lose your master password. To generate it, go back to the settings icon, scroll down to Reset Recovery Code, and hit Reset. After confirming your master password, you can save the recovery code as a PDF right to your device. To be safe, I suggest putting it in a secure place like your encrypted cloud account or even printing it out. While we're setting all the preventative measures, let's also go back to the Settings tab and enable Auto Lock. With this feature, you can predetermine how long your NordPass account can remain inactive before the app automatically locks down. Personally, I advise selecting a time duration on the shorter side to minimize the risk of someone accessing your data if you step away from your device. And to finish off the security setup, you're next going to decide which contacts you want to add to your emergency access list, which allows these specific people to get access to your passwords in case of an emergency. To do this, go to the Other section and click Emergency Access. Now press Give Access and enter the email addresses of anyone you'd like to add to your list of trusted contacts, and hit Give Access again when you're done. Great. Now that your account is created and protected, the next step in this NordPass Beginner's Guide is adding the passwords and the entries. From the main dashboard, find the Add Passwords tab on the left side and press Add Password. Now it's time to fill out all the empty information fields. For example, we can title this password Wi-Fi, enter the relevant login details and password, and hit Save when we're done. And NordPass can store a lot more than just passwords, so I encourage you to use the templates for secure notes, credit cards, and contact information too. While creating a login entry, you may also have noticed the password generator button. This is one of the strongest features in the NordPass toolbox, as it lets you design new passwords and tailor all the elements to your personal preference. With the click of a few buttons, you can customize the strength, length, characters, words, and more, resulting in a super strong password. When you're satisfied with the final result, just press the Fill Passwords button, and the app will automatically add it to your new entry. After all your passwords have been created, you can easily organize them by navigating to the Folders button on the main dashboard and pressing Add New Folder. Let's say I want to organize all the passwords for the family's streaming services. I'll label this folder Streaming, navigate to the All Items, and now I can add whichever streaming passwords are listed. This is a great way to manage all your important information from shopping and school to work and bills. Now, if you have passwords from a previous password manager or browser extension that you want to directly import to NordPass, navigate to Settings, then click Import Items. Next, choose whichever browser you want to import from, select your desired CSV file, and the passwords will automatically appear in your account, and you can make any edits if needed. You can rest assured that all your passwords and sensitive data stored in NordPass are secure, since the app uses one of the strongest, most modern encryptions currently available. And that security is paired with a zero-knowledge architecture, which guarantees that not even the company's employees are able to see what's inside your account, meaning your account is truly for your eyes only. You can easily share anything stored in your accounts as well, thanks to the password sharing feature. Let's say you want to share that Wi-Fi password with a friend. Simply navigate to the Wi-Fi folder, press the three dots, and press share. Now enter the recipient's email address, customize the permissions, then press share. Keep in mind the receiver does also need to be a NordPass user. So if you imagine yourself frequently sharing passwords with family or friends, then the NordPass family plan will be a great fit. The subscription is more affordable per person than the individual option, and you can get either of these plans at an even cheaper price by using the discount code I've left in the description. Moving on to installing that browser extension I mentioned earlier. First, navigate to Settings, and under the Autofill and Autosave section, press Add Browser Extension. Then select which browser you're installing on. It essentially functions like a mini version of NordPass, but additionally it has autofill, which automatically fills out any empty information fields for you. So you only need to click on the NordPass icon and then select the correct account. Plus, the NordPass browser extension will suggest automatically to save any new logins and instantly sync them with the main app. Taking safety a step further, NordPass also supports the use of passkeys. Instead of a standard password, it requires you to confirm your identity via methods like scanning your finger or Face ID. Setting this up is very straightforward. First, navigate to the Passkeys tab on the main dashboard and press Create Passkey. Next, add in the information for any sites you'd like to log into using passkeys. For example, Adobe, and NordPass will automatically redirect you there. After that, fill out the information details for that site and agree to any passkey pop-ups you see on screen. Once that's done, the site will give you the option to log in with either passkeys or your standard password. As you can see, this app comes with lots of features that are designed to make your daily life more secure and convenient. But one of the most beneficials for beginners in this password manager tutorial is the Password Health Checker, which gives you an overview of all your passwords. If any appear to be reused, weak, outdated, then it's time to use the password generator again and make stronger, updated ones. Speaking of increased security measures, NordPass also has a data breach scanner that informs users if their personal information has been compromised. Just add your emails and credit card details, and NordPass will notify you if it finds these credentials in any breach. It even advises you on any recommended actions to take in order to secure your account or cards. Any leaked personal data puts you at risk for all kinds of online threats, which is why I'm also going to leave a link in the description for our Cybernews password leak checker. Within a matter of seconds, this tool allows you to check if any of your passwords have been leaked online, allowing you to quickly change the credentials and prevent future damage. Like I said earlier, NordPass also works across different kinds of operating systems. However, the interface is very consistent, so it's easy to switch between devices. NordPass automatically syncs your information to any logged accounts, so you can see, edit, share, and autofill entries on mobile devices and Mac too. Remember, if you ever get lost while using the app or the extension, NordPass offers helpful guides on their website with step-by-step instructions on how to navigate all features. And they also provide 24/7 support through their website if you feel you need more in-depth help. And to help you get all the protective NordPass features we covered in this video, I'm leaving a coupon for you, which you can access via the QR code on screen now, or just follow the link below. To sum up today's NordPass tutorial, this app is a great choice for beginners. It's easy to use and helps you build strong password safety habits. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a comprehensive NordPass tutorial on other operating systems as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.